yesterday nilikuwa nasikiza hii interview ya nani, this guy from South Africa, I think it's called G2G something, Galshon something Anthony, Galson Anthony. The guy alikuwa na interview Kibe. Man, me sijaisikia such a stupid person like that. The guy jana sasa ndio nilijua accent is not a measure of intelligence. Kujua kizungu doesn't mean that you're intelligent. That guy was not even making sense. As in kama it was like interrogation chamber. The guy is just interrogate. The guy is not supposed to be anywhere near media. Just go and watch that podcast. G2G podcast. Just go and listen to that. And nenda ujam kama mimi, by the way. Just go and listen to that guy. It's not making sense. He pretending to be smart. The guy is not even smart. He's sounding like I don't know what. Mimi nimesikiza tu nimejam sahi. Nimekasirika vibaya sana. I've never seen such an idiot. In fact, that guy is not supposed to have kids because we don't want that stupid generation. Hii jamaa should be eliminated. I think generation yake tu amalize tu hivyo, because now bro, now hiyo hata si interview hiyo ati tabu msome hizi comments muone.